सपना देखना भी सही है और सपने को सही मायने में आगे बढ़ाना भी जरूरी होता है. तो कोई भी बिजनेस कीजिए, बिजनेस की जरूरत है. सो फाइंड द गैप बेसिकली. It's a pleasure to connect with all of you through Soil Cup, and I'm happy to share my not we can say guiding, but yes, it's my experience, and I think it may help any other Jagruti to grow as a budding entrepreneur, and she or he can become in a new generation of entrepreneurs. Yes. So basically, I believe that problems are not to stop you. They are for giving us a new way to find the life. So my journey of entrepreneurship exactly started from the same statement. By profession, I'm an engineer. I was working in an industry where I was not satisfied. And from childhood, I had a dream to become an entrepreneur and to give jobs to another ladies, basically for ladies. If we go specially single mothers or single ladies. So it was my I born in a very small town where 1,000 is the population right now also. It is a very tiny village of mine. From that village, ladies are always keep on always secondary. All their needs are always secondary. From childhood, I was fighting for them, fight for myself, and I'm so lucky that I didn't get that type of parenthood. My parents are being from the very tiny city and in that psychology, but my mother and father raised all our four with a very different mindset, and I'm lucky in that, and I'm thankful for both of them also. So by taking that, I completed my graduation. From the graduation, it was dream to become an entrepreneur, but it was not possible due to some reasons. Finally, doing a job, I had about 10 years of experience, near about. Still, in the COVID pandemic, I realized nothing is assured. My job can be left at any time, and anytime I can become unsecure. With the responsibilities, it's not possible to depend on the particular company for our future. So it was a very big risk. So find out something, searching for a type of business which can give bread and butter to me and other ladies also. So we are starting from my own kitchen. We are starting from you can say chemical free. I'm a mother. I know the importance of food and nutrition for our children, and my children is very foodie person. My he's only one son, and he's a very foodie. So always I'm preparing different dishes. I'm trying, and along with him, all my neighborhoods were also appreciating it. It was a Schezwan chutney, my first product, where we were using all natural and without preservative we were making it. So from that, it was my first product, started from my kitchen, and then as there was a COVID pandemic, all transport was not available. The Schezwan chutney is normally liked by from kids to old persons also. So the neighbor Kirana merchants, they were not able to get the Schezwan chutney from their dealers as the transport everything was stopped, only those people were working. So they suggest me to start on bulk quantity and provide us it. So I said, we are not providing any type of preservatives and all, so I don't think how much life it will have. So they said, you just prepare the fresh batches and we will directly sell it out, so you don't have any worry about it. So we started from that stage. Later on, where our product list is going on now, we are having about 10 products in our list, and all those products are healthy for children point of view. all they are nutritious and very important, all they are natural products, and all they are starting from our kitchen, so I can guarantee they are always healthier food products for. Later on, I decided to something happened in my family that edible oils, whatever we are using was refined oil in my house. So whenever, as a lady and as a housewife, whenever I was starting cooking, it was giving some smoke, and that smoke was very dangerous for me also. At the starting of day and at the evening, every woman has to face the problem. So I tried to find out the solution, why this is happening. I tried to change the brand, change everything, but still the problem was not eliminating. Then I searched what is the reason for this smoke. Later on, whenever I was searching for it, I find the refined oil, whatever we are using, it's not actually oil, it is just a chemical we are using as oil. And from then I go in a deep study and find out whatever the chronic diseases we are facing right now, starting from heart disease, cancer, diabetes, blockages in nervous system, blockages in veins, everything, allergies, respiratory system. All these chronic diseases are found, you can say not found out, they are formed by a very tiny ingredient in our day-to-day cooking, and that is nothing but your refined oil. You can say oil, but 90% of the population in India is using refined oil. Maybe it is coconut oil, maybe it is groundnut, maybe sunflower, but the refined word is common before all oils. And so common in my nearby cities and villages. Soybean oil is mostly used because it is very, you can say, it is less costlier as compared to other oils. But if basically see, soybean is not actually an oil seed. It is having only 10% oil. And if we cost for calculating of one, you need 10 kgs of soybean to be crushed. Then you will get 1 liter of oil from it. So if we calculate the raw material costing and all, it's not possible at the rate they are giving in the market, whatever the cost. So just studying for in this every parameter wise, I have checked why we are getting these oils at so many lowest price if I'm requiring about 10 kgs of soybean for crushing it. So every time profitability any businessman can do for its manufacturing cost, machining cost, transportation cost, packaging charges. If we all add these all costs, definitely the cost is going very high, and we are getting these prices at very negligible rate they are providing us. So I'm starting in that way, and by catching some reverse engineering, just found that the major content in that refined oil is the palm oil or crude oil. This crude oil is palm oil. It's imported from Indonesia and all from a oil seed like palm. Normally it is a machine used for machine lubricant in other countries, but in India we are importing it for manufacturing these oils, in which we are eating it, consuming it as a good part of our and major part of our foods. Any cuisine is not possible without oils, whether you go in India or in foreign country. In India, North India, South India, East, West, everywhere oil is used. No matter, it may be different as per the geographical area, that in North India, mustard oil is majorly used. In South, coconut oil is used. I am in Jalgaon, Maharashtra. Groundnut is more popular oil seed here, so we are having it. So from this inspiration, I have tried to find out the best quality oil in my city, which will not give me smoke, which will not give you the smell. You can say it a smell, but I didn't find it. So then I searched for the machines which we can buy, and we can manufacture all our oils at our home. While thinking for this process, I realized many of my friends were facing the same issues. They are also not possible to get the pure oil. If in malls we are getting, olive oil was available, but not cold pressed coconut and cold pressed groundnut oil was not available in our malls also. So I tried to get that idea into business. Then I searched for machineries which can commercially, where we can manufacture the oils. but not in much quantity, a medium quantity, where my need is also fulfilled and I can sell it to my neighborhoods or like-minded people. So this is the way we have started Charol Oils. Charol is basically my mother's name. Her name is Charulata. So Cha from my mother's name, Ru from my son's name Rupesh, and L is means Charulata. So that is why our brand name is started. And we manufacturing 2 categories of foods: Charol oils, where all 100% natural, pure cold pressed oil we are manufacturing, and another brand is Charol Gruhodyo, where we are manufacturing all those Szechuan chutney and instant premixes, which are healthy under that brand. So Charol oils and Gruhodyo was started in this way. बच्चों को जो भी देते हैं हम यही ट्राई करते हैं कि उसको बेस्ट मिले, और हम वही खाना अगर उस तेल से बनाएंगे तो आप जो भी बनाएंगे वो वर्स्ट होगा उसके लिए. So if we choose the best way, then only you can serve the best food to your loved ones.
In itself will be a lot of inspiration for the audience. कि अगर काम तो बहुत डिटेल में जाके काम करना is always better.
Yeah, sir.
Because
yes.
it is all about giving the right product to the customers. और
Yes, sir.
बहुत ही अच्छा लगा. तो मैम इस दौरान आपने जो पकड़ बनाई वो प्रोडक्शन में बनाई.
जी सर.
तो इसको आप स्केल भी कर पाएंगे, और स्केल करने के लिए मार्केटिंग में क्या आपने वेबसाइट बनाई अपनी, लोग कैसे आप तक पहुंच सकते हैं?
जी सर, आप हमारी वेबसाइट है www.charulproducts.com. It's not still commercial, it's static still, but as we get some responses, we are working on it also. We are having our Facebook page charuloils.com, and we are connecting. Initially we have started from delivering in Jalgaon city only, because we were not we are still not a big brand, but yes, whoever are our customers, they are our repeating customers, and they are becoming our mouth publicity. So one customer is again giving me 2 or 3 customers. So mouth publicity is my what we can say. They are my customers are giving me the taglines: you are trustful, helpful, and tasteful. So 7 प्रकार के ऑयल बनाते हैं, जिसमें आपकी मूंगफली, कोकोनट, तिल्ली, सूरजमुखी, सनफ्लावर जिसे बोलते हैं, safflower oil is best actually for heart patients. So that is safflower oil, इसको कुसुम बीज भी बोलते हैं, mustard oil and flaxseed oil. And in for few customers we are also manufacturing almond oils also, but it is on demand. So average, including all these 7, if we go for average price, it's about 300 rupees per liter, and we are manufacturing and selling about 150 liters per month till now. Cold press oil में number 1 brand बनाना है, at least for Maharashtra I'm thinking, then rest we'll see. Because it's not so much known oil. पता सबको है, लेकिन अवेयरनेस नहीं है, और जिनके पास अवेयरनेस है तो उनके पास अवेलेबल नहीं है. So starting from Jalgaon city, it's my dream to make Charol oils as a number 1 cold press oil brand.
अच्छा मैम, जब आपने सब शुरू किया तो you must have faced some challenges and you would have overcome it, है ना? तो कोई एक अगर आप कोई शेयर करें where it again becomes an eye opener for the audience.
Yeah. मैं सबसे पहले बताना चाहूंगी कि फ्रॉड के चांसेस बहुत ज्यादा होते हैं, बिकॉज मैंने जब शुरू किया तो कोविड की सिचुएशन थी, मे बी May 20, कंप्लीटली लॉकडाउन, 100% पूरा जग अपना मीन्स पूरा यूनिवर्स वाज स्टॉप, एंड एट दैट टाइम आई वाज डीलिंग विद द मशीनरीज, द सप्लायर्स. On IndiaMart, I have searched many, out of which I got a supplier from Tamil Nadu. But some case happens, my bank has transferred him money 50% as a booking amount, but that money luckily come back to bank, and the problem was in the account number of the supplier, and he said it's by mistake, it's happened. So please you can transfer this amount on my personal account. So my bank manager get some idea and he alert me that please be aware from the supplier, try to get some proof that bank assurance that he will be able to supply bank and everything. but on discussion the person was not ready. He was not ready to accept our terms and conditions and was keeping his terms and conditions against us. So for safe side, it take me about 1 to 2 months delay, but I changed that supplier. I searched for another, which was reputed and easily all terms and conditions were genuine. So we have shifted that supplier to another one, and then so this is one case I think everyone should keep in mind. Though you are paying by loans, but still be careful while supplying or while giving orders to the suppliers. So terms and conditions रखना जरूरी है, क्योंकि अगर वो चला जाता तो शायद मेरा पूरा अमाउंट उसमें चला जाता और मैं उतने अमाउंट एडजस्ट नहीं कर पाती थी. तो वॉट एवर मेरी सिचुएशन लगे तो लेट हुआ चलेगा, बट डोंट fall into such frauds. इनके बलि के बकरे मत बनिए. Another, yes, this is one problem I saw. एंड सेकेंड थिंग, बिजनेस तो शुरू करना था, मैंने लोन के लिए अप्लाई भी कर दिया, बट मेरे एक मिस्टेक हुई कि मुझे रिक्वायर्ड सर्टिफिकेट्स क्या लगने वाले हैं इसके लिए मैंने कुछ स्टडी नहीं किया था. दैट पॉइंट आई हैव मिस्ड इन माय स्टडीज. सो आपको क्या लाइसेंसेस लगते हैं रिगार्डिंग आपके बिजनेस, उसकी लिस्ट पहले बनाए और उस लाइसेंसिंग के लिए आपकी क्या प्रोसीजर है पहले वो पता करके फिर ही आपके प्रोजेक्ट के कॉस्ट निकालिए. सो मेरा इसमें थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम है कि मुझे FSSAI लाइसेंस लेना जरूरी था एज अ मैन्युफैक्चरर. मे बी ट्रेडिंग के लिए नहीं लगेगा आपको, बट एज ए मैन्युफैक्चरर आपके यहाँ इनबिल्ड लैब होना जरूरी होता है और उसका खर्चा कुछ 1 से 1.5 लाख तक का होता है. जो अमाउंट मैंने लोन सैंक्शनिंग के लिए डाली तब अकाउंटेड नहीं था, तो मुझे वो पर्सनली करना पड़ा. सो दिस इज माय अनदर चैलेंज दैट कोई भी मैन्युफैक्चरर हो तो लाइसेंसिंग एंड एवरी सर्टिफिकेट्स रिक्वायर्ड उसके पास होना जरूरी है, तो उसके कॉस्टिंग भी ध्यान में रख के प्रोजेक्ट का कॉस्ट निकाली जाए.
तो 100% फंडिंग होती है मैम गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से? जी
सर 100% होती है.
आपको बस प्रोजेक्ट रिपोर्ट बनानी है.
प्रोजेक्ट रिपोर्ट होना चाहिए. और आपकी बहुत से लोग उसमें देते हैं कि लोन एक चीज के लिए लेते हैं लेकिन उस पर यूटिलाइज नहीं करते. सो दिस शुड नॉट बी डन. गवर्नमेंट इज देयर टू हेल्प अस एंड एवरी टाइम KVIC दे आर आल्सो प्रोवाइडिंग सच ट्रेनिंग्स. हाउ दो देखिए, अभी मैं एक फर्स्ट जनरेशन एंटरप्रेन्योर हूँ, हमारे घर में किसी ने बिजनेस किया नहीं है. सो एवरी टाइम आई हैव टू फेस, मुझे फाइनेंस भी देखना है, मुझे मार्केटिंग भी देखना है, रॉ मटेरियल भी देखना है, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग भी देखना है. सो ऑल दिस फील्ड्स आई हैव टू डू माई सेल्फ ओनली. राइट नाउ अभी इतना एक्सपीरियंस हो चुका है कि वो पायलट मोड पे मैं स्विच करने के स्टेज पे आ चुकी हूँ, लेकिन टाइम काफी लगा उसको आने के लिए, बिकॉज मैं उसमें से सीख रही थी ताकि मैं दूसरों को उस फील्ड में ट्रेन कर दूं तो वो बंदा फिर वो फील्ड हैंडल करेगी. लेडी है मैं, बट वो हैंडल करेंगे तो हम दूसरे इस पे ध्यान दे सकेंगे. सो स्टेप बाय स्टेप अभी मेरा एक डिपार्टमेंट ऐसे हैंड आउट करना या पायलट मोड पे ले जाना शुरू है. सो आई एम वर्किंग ऑन इट.
इन द कंक्लूडिंग पार्ट आप कुछ ऑडियंस को बोलना चाहेंगे या उन फेलो एंटरप्रेन्योर्स को कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे जो स्ट्रगल कर रहे हैं एंड हाउ शुड दे कंटिन्यू देयर जर्नी, नॉट गेट डिसहार्टेंड? आप कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे?
जी सर, एंटरप्रेन्योर बनना हर एक का सपना होता है, आई थिंक लाइक मी. सो सपना देखना भी सही है और सपने को सही मायने में आगे बढ़ाना भी जरूरी होता है. सो कोई भी बिजनेस कीजिए, बिजनेस की जरूरत है. सो फाइंड द गैप बेसिकली कि आपको कौन सा बिजनेस करना, वो एग्जिस्टिंग बिजनेस में फाइंड द गैप. अभी मेरे सिटी में ऐसा था कि कोविड के कारण बाहर नहीं आ सकते थे, मैक्सिमम शॉप्स भी टाइमिंग में चल रहे थे, तो वी वर प्रोवाइडिंग देम free home delivery. Means we are starting that was the gap. So we find out that gap, we worked on it, and from then means उन दिनों में लोगों को घर तक हम देते थे तो वो भी सेफ थे. So that was the positive point. और फिर उससे वो कंटिन्यू होकर लोगों को आदत हो गई, बोलते नहीं अभी हमें लाइफ टाइम ही आपकी फ्री डिलीवरी चाहिए. So we are now giving them in Jalgaon city only, and outside we are providing the courier. So find out the gap in any business. Market survey is important, starting from raw material to packing. You must know the market or supplier, whatever, because हर एक स्टेज पे आपको किसी ना किसी से डील करना होता है. सो अवेलेबल बहुत होते हैं, उसमें से फिर थोड़ा डील करके बेस्ट कौन सा है. एटलीस्ट अगेन फॉर बिजनेस एटलीस्ट ₹1 अगर सेव होता है तो वो हमारे बिजनेस के लिए होता है. शुरुआत में मुझे ये पता नहीं चलता था, लेकिन अभी जैसे जैसे आ रही हूँ तो आई एम ट्राइंग टू एटलीस्ट सेव 1 rupee if I'm dealing with 2 dealer suppliers. So it makes a habit as you grow up. So just have a market survey, find the gap, and try to provide the quality you are saying. If you give the best quality, your customers will never leave you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Thank you.